rationalize the denominator. Well, I see that I have cube roots, so I'm going to go ahead and write the problem again over here. And what I'm going to look for then is for the denominator to be the smallest perfect cube that I can create. So I need to multiply it by 2, cube root of 2. That will give me cube root of 8, which is the smallest cube root I can create with a 4. And then since I have one y here, I'll need 2 more y's here to create a set of 3 y's, which is the smallest perfect cube. Now I also need to do that to the numerator so that I am multiplying by some form of the number 1. So you can multiply cube roots together, giving me, and I'll write the 2 first, 2 and an x and a y squared. As you can see, none of these are perfect cubes, so I can't simplify that part. But what the denominator gives me now is 4 times 2 is 8, which is going to be a perfect cube. And then I have y cubed. So these are both perfect cubes. So I have a perfect cube root here. So my final version of this then is the cube root of 2xy squared, and then the cube root of 8 is 2, so it comes out, and the cube root of y cubed is y, so it also will come out.